Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? So I'm Dan from Trading with Dan. Welcome to the weekend crypto trading session. Obviously weekends are only for crypto. No traditional markets, no forex market is open. But yeah, so if you guys don't mind smashing that like button, we will go over to those Bitcoin charts. Just 1 second, let me just check we're on the right volume here. Yep. So yeah, Bitcoin on the 4 hour, we have just been trading sideways in this tight little range, as you can see. I mean, I would say this is looking like a bull flag. This is looking like we're just getting some sideways to down off this 4 hour 9, but we're not really getting much down. Had a bit of a rejection candle here, a rejection wick here, but again, this is only the 4 hour, and we haven't taken out the low of that candle, so that's obviously pretty good. So I mean, if I had to guess, I would say this is basically going to play out to, well, the projected target of the overall bull flag from this overall move up, which would basically actually be over 20k. So that is potentially what we've got on the cards. Do I think it'll happen over the weekend? Maybe it will happen. Like I said in last night's video, if we're going to get an expansion of volatility this weekend, if we're going to get a big move, I think it is a lot more likely to be to the upside, but it could be to the downside. But we could also just trade sideways like usual. But yeah, we will see. I mean, we are playing with big numbers now, so even if we had like a pullback back to this support and then just found our way back up for the open on Monday, I mean, that's like $1,000 move. So it is a pretty big move. We'll just have a quick look at the DXY, how it closed. Yes, so I mean, people are going to be looking at this thinking over the weekend and thinking, right, I need to get out my dollars. So yeah, got to bear that in mind. Also, stock markets, I mean, it's hard to really say what people think here. It's hard to really say what they'll think over the weekend looking at it. That's kind of what I'm trying to gauge from that. Gold and silver, though, I think people are going to be looking at this waiting for a big move, so they're just going to be waiting for it to pick a direction, and then they'll jump on the back of that trade. Daily 9, as you can see, just fully blasted through, so looking good just for more upside there. I mean, all the candlestick analysis is looking great. 5-day has now closed, so there you have the textbook acceleration on the 9 that we talk about. If you look at all the previous, well, the last time we had a candle this size was all the way here, yeah, so if you look, the 9 candles definitely can give you the big moves, the big blast off moves, and then we can often put in a top then and come down. But we'll have to see what happens there. We shall have to see. We are fully and firmly in this zone here now, fully away from this this zone. I'm expecting sideways in, but a lot will depend on the dollar, and we are fully in this zone now. So we've got good support around this level, which is like $1,000 below price as well. The weekly will be coming up on the 9 soon as well. So quickly run through the stochastics, and then we'll be done for our morning wrap. 4 hour looking like it's potentially going to come down, so maybe this just does imply sideways. 10 hour looking good. 12 hour again looking like it's going to hold this trend line, which is a bit insane, but it's going to struggle to hold it for much longer. I mean, purely on the function of time and the fact that the chart moves this way. Yeah, 5-day looking like, I mean, it looks good really. At the end of the day, it can do this same as 3-day and hold up there, and price can go up. It doesn't mean it's going to turn back down, but yeah, looking good, all looking good realistically, guys. So I mean, we obviously stochastics are going to be looking good after a move like this. Yeah, I mean, with a move like this, you just would expect, if we're gonna reverse, some big blow off top candle, but we don't necessarily have to do that. But that is often how price action does pan out, and I guess being so close to all-time highs, it will trigger all sorts of buys above here, I guess, and then also probably trigger all sorts of sells above it. So maybe that is the big blow off candle, and then we're gonna do some digesting of price action, maybe see that 15 to 20% pullback, We shall see. So yeah, that is it guys for this morning. Thanks for listening. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys later on today.